onboarding process. We
Okay.
all know that every time when we go to a bank or any financial institution or anywhere, there is an onboarding process. The first thing is application intake. They will give you an application. You have to write down
Fill it
all the
and
informations. Yeah. And you have to submit it.
right.
Okay. The second thing is you have to attach some verification sources.
ID proofs and
Your ID proofs, whatever IDs you can carry. Okay. Like capture and verify. What is capturing? We have discussed this in the last to last session. Do you remember what is capturing the information?
verifying like if the syntaxes are correct, like if all the information is gathered properly or not, like if there's any missing middle name or missing like if one of the fields is missing, like they will gather all the information and then verify uh, like if all the syntaxes of the information are correct, and then uh, verify the ID proofs, whatever name
Absolutely
and the
correct.
ID proofs are matching all that.
Collection and capturing is whatever information we have about the client. Let's say you are a client, I'm the bank, I have given you a form or an application, so you are filling it and submitting to me.
Correct.
Okay. Now I'll ask you, ma'am, please can you give me your ID? Okay, so that I can verify all the
Verify
information
all
you
the
have
information
given.
provided.
Collection piece, whatever client is giving you. Verification is you are verifying through ID. Okay. Is
Yep.
that
Clear.
clarified?
Yep.
Okay.
So
Now the
capturing
third
is
step,
collection, right?
collection. There
Yeah.
is two things, collection and verification.
Verification. Yes.
CNV.
Yes.
CNV. Okay. So in high risk, most of the fields are collecting and verification.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
In medium risk, let's say low risk, if it is simplified due diligence, so most of the thing, only few fields are which is collection and verification. Most of the things we will like understand that whatever client is providing is
It is
like
correct.
genuine. Yeah,
Right.
we will take the basic IDs like your Aadhaar PAN will be due.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
If it is high risk, then we will take each and every ID. The trust deed should be verified, the incorporation certificate, BO details, BO. Okay, so BO's ID also necessary. This is one thing which we haven't kept, we haven't covered. But in the third slide, we will see that what is BO verification is. So the thing is, if you are working on on an entity and there are BOs, beneficial owners, then if it is high risk in nature, then you have to verify the ID proofs of BO also.
Whatever we are doing for the main customer, that we will
Entity, correct.
do
Yeah.
also.
The company, basically the main reason is the logic is the company is running by genuine people or not. Is there is something fishy that we need to escalate, so we will escalate it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
The third point is we already have covered it. It is screening.
Screen.
Every kind of screening. Either it is sanctions,
And
adverse
adverse
media, pep
media.
match, all the things.
Okay.
Okay. Then after all these things will be covered, then there will be a risk assessment.
Risk assessment.
The thing is, you have captured all the details. Now you have a risk rating. Okay, these particular fields has been triggered. So maybe he is a medium risk customer or a high risk customer. Okay. So you will do the risk assessment on the basis of evaluating the customer profile, what kind of product he is using, and what kind of geography he is living in. Okay. And what are the channel of risks he have? Hybrid, online, offline, like
Face to
crypto,
face.
these. Yeah.
Yep.
So the fourth thing is risk assessment. The risk assessment should be appropriate. The reason why I'm asking is, let's say if you have incorrectly evaluated a customer, so you have to after a certain point of time, you have to ask the client that these are the findings we have. whatever investigator will be work on that particular case. This is not our job. But I'm just letting you know that if your evaluation is incorrect, how it is impacting the customer. Okay. So if your evaluation is incorrect, then the customer will suffer.
Right.
Okay.
So even if we assign a low risk customer to high risk by mistake, it customer is the one who suffers.
Okay. So basically, we will ask the client na,
Mm.
that provide me this verification, this. So client will ask the, okay, I am not
Why?
doing that so much. I'm only a saving accounts holder.
Mm.
And in your policy, it is mentioned that you only need two ID verifications.
Mm.
Why are you asking me these many
So
questions? Why
many.
are you asking me these other IDs?
Mm.
Or
So there is.
maybe those IDs does not held by the client. That
Mm.
could be a possibility.
Okay.
Let's say right now we are asking that give me your BO IDs and source of a wealth, source of fund and source of wealth, a detailed description.
Mm.
And the customer is saying, I don't have any source of fund and source of wealth in detail. I'm just a salary owner. So my source of fund is also salary and my wealth is also whatever I'm accumulating is through salary only.
Mm.
I'm just giving you an
Yeah,
example.
yeah, yeah. So there is
Okay.
a chance of missing a customer if we do incorrect evaluation.
Absolutely correct. And vice versa.
Mm.
Let's say if there is a high risk customer
Mm.
and you have evaluated, you have missed few things. Now
Mm.
it is considered as a low.
Low risk.
So we
There's a
should ask some
high.
verification. We
Mm.
should have asked.
Mm.
So
We
it
missed.
is not impacting the customer. Customer
Mm.
is happy that nobody is asking me
Mm. It's impacting the
anything,
bank.
but it is impacting the bank.
Correct. Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Understand the
Yes,
difference?
yes, yes.
Why we need to evaluate the risk rating?
Correctly.
Like it is very important.
Mm.
Okay. Whether you're working on individual,
Mm-hmm.
whether you are working on an entity, that doesn't matter.
Got
The
it.
risk rating should be evaluated properly.
Mm.
Okay.
Got it.
Now approval and activation, all the things has been done. Let's say the customer is low risk,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the things he have provided, whatever
Mm-hmm.
the verification he has provided, we have approved it.
Mm-hmm.
The senior management or whatever the approval manager is, they have approved it, that
Mm.
your profile has been approved.
Approved.
Now your account will be activated.
Mm.
Final procedure, this is
Mm.
the onboarding process we have.
Correct.
Even if it is high risk, and let's say he completed all the verification list which is needed for high risk customer. Let's say we need 5 verifications for a country, let's say, and customer has provided all the verifications. Now we have identified that okay, the client is high risk, but still he has completed all the verification points.
Mm.
So okay, we will approve your profile and now your account will be activated.
Got it.
These 5 steps in the onboarding process, it is a whole domain in KYC.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There are certain departments like AML KYC is very vast.
Mm.
Okay. So
Mm.
there are multiple departments. The first department for KYC is onboarding.
Onboarding.
There will be an onboarding team.
Team. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Mm.
The second team,
Mm.
which is your periodic review,
Mm. Mm.
much more experienced folks.
Okay.
Okay. Reason I'll explain that. Let's say if there is a fresher.
Mm.
Okay. Onboarding process is not that hard.
Mm.
You have a customer's profile. Okay.
Mm.
He must have applied online, offline, whatever the mode is. You
Mm-hmm.
have the information, you have the documents.
Mm.
You have to just verify.
Mm.
Easy job.
Right.
So you don't need that much experience.
Mm.
Now in periodic review, what happens is now customer has some transactions with you.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, there are no transactions you can see.
Mm. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have few transactions.
Mm.
Now
Based
you will
on
see,
that.
yeah, now you will see that at the time of onboarding, customers said that he will do minimal business activities which are related to, let's say, cement industry, electronic industry, IT industry, whatever it is.
Mm.
But I can see that customer is doing heavy crypto
Mm-hmm.
payments,
Which is
heavy
suspicious.
cross border. yeah, heavy cross-border payments like international swifts. Okay, we can like leverage the information that okay, if he is doing business, then it could be possible that international payments are justifiable. Okay, it is allowed. But
Okay.
the frequency, what is the frequency? Okay.
Okay.
And the third thing is, let's say if he is doing gambling, dealing in high risk products, at the time of onboarding, you have said that you will use deposits, business accounts, and saving account. These three products you will use. Now I have seen that you are using FX products. Why are you using FX products? Have you took like permission, or have you applied it? So these are the reasons why you need to complete the periodic review with
Periodic
the more experienced folks.
Got it. So the first
Understand?
step is KYC analyst. Second is the supervisor, you mean? Or
No, no. So basically, these are also analysts.
experienced
Let's
analyst.
experience it. So there, as if I just explain you as per the hierarchy, maybe there is a junior analyst,
Hmm.
like a fresher.
Hmm.
Okay. Then there is a senior analyst. Okay.
Hmm.
Then there is a let's say management trainee. Okay. Who
Management
is
training.
like MT, DT and MT, domain trainee. Or
Uh-huh.
let's say if you have an experience of let's say 4 years or five
Hmm.
years, now you are like you have experienced that particular domain. So you will
Okay.
become the trainer
Oh,
or
got
a
it.
QA.
Okay.
So same thing, if a person is doing good, then they can move to quality assurance. There are two things. One is IC role. What is a IC role? Let's say normal production. I am verifying. I am doing an analyst job. Now, whatever I am doing, somebody has to check, quality check. Okay.
Got it.
So
Okay.
there will be a QA team, quality assurance team. Okay. Let's say I am doing very good work. So they ask me that, okay, you are doing very good team, very good work. So can you please join the QA team? I think you don't need to do the production. You can do the checks, audit checks.
It's not very clear. If I can tell you, so doing a good job is evaluating each case correctly. Like,
Okay.
right?
Let me explain you this way. Maybe uh, okay. You are hired as an KYC analyst.
Analyst. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now you are doing a job.
Hmm.
You don't have any experience.
Hmm.
Yes, people get hired directly as QA, but I'm not going there. Why?
Yeah.
I'm asking as in fresher.
Fresh. Oh, got it.
What should be the hierarchy list?
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, if I'm doing a QA process, let's say for last 1.5 years, I know if I apply somewhere where they need a quality assurance analyst, I will explain them that I'm doing QA for this company for last 2 years, and this is my experience. That what I have been doing for last 2 years. So this is my experience. Okay, this is for an experienced folk. I am not going there. I am telling you that you are, let's suppose I am a fresher.
Pressure.
I am hired by a company as an KYC analyst.
Hmm.
What I am doing is, what is my first job is after training, where I hit the production, there is a client information, there is a verification. What I need to do is I have to check whether whatever a customer has provided, it is matching with the ID or not. Okay. I will process with each thing: application intake, then CIP verification, screening, risk assessment, approval, and activation.
Got it.
Okay. Let's say there are two IDs. Okay. In the first name was, let's say, Kapil Singh, and the second ID is Kapil Ranganathan Singh. Okay. Now let's say in the case of women, a woman, it is more complicated because if premarital, then
Basic
surname is
surname
different.
will be different.
and after marriage, the surname will be different.
Right.
So if you're working on a woman, so make sure if she has a previous account and the name of the account is different, that's okay. That's okay. You have to ask the client, confirm the client. Okay, ma'am, is your previous surname was this? Can
No,
I
yes.
confirm that? Okay, yeah. You have to confirm. That's a procedure.
Got it.
Okay, but there is a possibility. For male, there is no possibility. If I today I am Kapil Singh and the second ID you are getting that Kapil, like let's say Kohli, that's absolutely incorrect. These two are different individuals, and the person is holding these two IDs. It is ID theft or it is a like a fraud activity. Customer does not cannot have two IDs. Okay, short escalation.
Okay, got
Okay,
it.
now coming back to I'm an KYC analyst. That's what I do. Now
So the
let's say I have
analyst
missed
has
this.
access to customer, is it? They can talk to customers,
No.
or in between the front office will
Yeah.
be
So
work.
there is a specific team who is more prominent in client facing. Let's say you will escalate the case to them that these are the findings we have. Can you please confirm that from the client?
Got it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
They are basically trained in a way that they can, their communication skills are very good.
I
So
got
they are
it.
trained in a way so that they can communicate with the client.
Yes, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's say I have missed two ID verifications which consist two different information. Let's say Kapil Singh and Kapil Kohli,
Kohli. Okay.
which is absolutely incorrect.
Right. It is
I
escalated.
missed it. I missed it.
Oh, okay.
And I have approved it. That as per me, that approval, human mistake,
Yeah,
we all can do. Yeah. Now the thing is, my work will be checked by an auditor, will be a quality assurance team.
Okay.
Okay. It is like very normal that a QA team will be formed who is very well versed with the process. The logic behind is that who can audit your case, who has the better understanding of the process, basic understanding. Okay, why you are doing an analyst job? You are a fresher, you don't have that much experience. We have done that. We have done that production.
Know what kind of mistakes you might do also.
So we know that what kind of things you have missed. You can miss it. That's absolutely correct. That's a human mistake. You can do that. Okay, you're not a machine. That's why we are here. We are a quality check team. So what we will do is whatever like whatever approval he is giving, before the activation and the final approval, we have to check the case. Okay, so the quality team will check, okay, this okay, these two ID verification you have missed it. So we will mark an error for analyst that these two things which is very critical, you have missed it. Okay, please correct it and do the remediation.
Got it.
Okay. Now after this, let's say we will send the mail to the person who is from the team of client facing. Okay, sir, we have these much requirements which is pending. Can you please send it over to the client or have a chat or have a communication with the client? Then we need this within 24 to 48 hours. This is a basic process.
Got it.
These are the layers. IC role production, quality check, final approval. Okay.
What is the first one?
IC role production, KYC analyst. Yeah, KYC analyst, fresher. Okay.
So we're all dealing with real-time data only, right?
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
So I mean,
let's say
I'm
if I
confused because technology side also there will be quality assurance team like to verify the application and
in
all.
each department,
So here it is all real data.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. So
in each department you will find a auditor or quality check team.
Got it.
Every time.
So the front end team followed by analyst. Analyst's work will be verified by quality assurance. So analyst will escalate to supervisor. if at all he finds
No. So there are two teams which are
okay.
independent.
Okay.
Okay. The quality assurance team will not have a communication with the analyst, and the analyst should not have a communication. So let's say, for an example, why I am saying that,
Mm-hmm.
it is a compliance issue. If you are an quality check,
And then
okay,
if
you are a check,
analyst misses that verification, they would tell the analyst to recheck, right? The quality assurance team.
they will tell. The communication gap which I am talking about is, let's say you and I are a friend.
Okay.
You and I are friend.
Okay.
Now I know that Harita is in quality check team, and
Mm-hmm.
my all cases will be checked by Harita. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
So what I'll do is, even if I'm making mistake, what
Mm.
she is asking is, she is WhatsApping me that, okay, Kapil, can you please make these changes? I have found few errors.
Oh,
That's
it's
wrong.
not officially reported.
Yeah,
Um,
that should be reported. The error should be marked
mm,
for
mm,
analyst.
mm,
Why? That process should know that
mm,
you have made this mistake. The reason
mm.
is, again you will make. You will not
Correct.
learn.
Mm.
You will not learn.
Correct.
Okay. So the the compliance issue to we have to be independent.
Mm.
There should not be any relationship. So even if you have heard that, if there is an integrated team of analysts and QA, so like personal relationship like husband wife cannot be in the same
Same
process.
team or same process. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
They can on a same team. Let's say
Mm.
if I'm doing production, you are also doing production, because
Mm.
you are also can make mistake. Your work is also checked by the QA, my
Mm.
work also checked by the QA. You are
Mm.
not checking my case.
Mm. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they can be in the same team,
Mm.
but if it is related, integrated in a way, then the quality checking and the production cannot done by the same person.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything, any issue regarding this onboarding process?
No.
Okay.
Clear.
Now individual onboarding and corporate onboarding,
Mm.
same thing. Nothing, the verification will change.
Mm-hmm.
That here we need a government ID which is issued for an individual, and
Mm.
here we will need a incorporation certificate.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
uh, Documents, let's say government ID, proof of address, occupation proof, payslip, recommendation letter, tax ID, customer photo. These are the basic the documentation you need to process an account.
Okay.
Agreed.
Yep.
Now for corporate onboarding, incorporation certificate, articles. If he is registered through an article, then article, what the articleship it is, uh, registry extract, like company extract, what I saw, shown you
Okay.
for ASIC and New Zealand both.
Mm. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Share registers. Okay. Share certificates.
Mm.
Basically, let's say a company having shares of 1,000. So
Mm-hmm.
who is owning those 1,000 shares? Let's say 100 is owned by A, and 200 is owned by B, 300 is owned by C, and the remaining 400 is owned by D.
Okay. So we
Okay.
should verify all A, B, C, D.
Ownership chart. Correct.
Okay.
Then there are board resolution, list of directors, business licenses, whatever license, let's say ABN, APRA, AFSL. These are different license. I'm talking
Mm.
about the Australian jurisdiction.
Mm.
Then latest financial reports every year.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you have the latest financial information, you will have it.
Mm.
Tax ID, utility bills.
Mm.
Basic understanding. Okay.
Mm.
For
Mm.
corporate, this is needed, and for individual, this is needed.
Got it.
Okay. Common red flags: inconsistent address history.
Yes, yes,
Let's say
okay.
currently I'm living in Delhi, then Mumbai, then Kolkata, then Manipur, then let's say Bangalore, Hyderabad.
Mm.
Okay. So
Mm.
inconsistency of address.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
ID tampering, same thing which I mentioned. If let's
ID
say
tag.
you have a ID where the Harita, where the DOB is 1978. And in the next one, it is 1991, which cannot be the case.
Right.
Okay. Then high risk IP device. Okay. If he is using VPN, VPN is good. If you are visiting another country, it is good. But if you are doing VPN every day, there might be a red flag that why are you using heavy VPN services
How that we will know?
in the transaction? In the transaction process, I'm not talking about the onboarding. I'm talking about the whatever the red flag it is.
Got it.
Yeah. Now, implausible source of wealth versus age, occupation, and negative media. Okay. What does this mean is plausible source of wealth. Let's say I have a Lamborghini. My account balance is, let's say, $5 million. Okay. And I am a college student. There is only one possibility that my father and I have a generational wealth. Agreed?
Yes.
If a college student have a $5 million account balance, that's not usual. It is very unusual.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
And let's say I have like you find out that my father was a government employee. Is that possible that particular kid have this much money?
No. Red flag.
It is totally red flag.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Implausible source of wealth versus the occupation and the age. I am 16-year-old. I am in my college. Okay. What is my occupation? I am a student. Okay. Even if you are, let's say, 22 and you are a fresher and you are working on a company called Meta, what is your designation then? Let's say you are a senior engineer. Okay. Let's assume you are making 2 lakh per year dollar. Okay. Still, you can't have $5 million in your bank account.
Right.
There are only one possibility: you have a generational wealth. That's it. If that is like denied, that you don't have, like if your father is a government employee, then this can't be the case.
Big red flag.
It's a red flag. We have to escalate.
Right.
Like this is very important to identify in the future classes when we will see the actual transaction history and the person. Then you have to identify that okay, sometimes what happens is, why I'm giving very emphasis on this particular part, you are dealing with 5 cases in a day. Okay. You are doing and doing and doing, and now, like, let's say you missed it, or let's say your mind has been fatigued and you missed it, that okay, customer's age was 22. Okay, that's okay, he must has a cash intensive business, approved. People do that. I'm like telling you a real life incidents.
Very much
It is
possible.
Yeah, it is happening in a real life on a daily basis. Let me tell you, on a daily basis. Then we will let's say I am a QA. Okay, I'm a senior QA lead. Okay, I from Monday to Friday I check cases for each and every analyst, senior analyst, even my junior QAs also. I do that. I can see that silly mistakes happens.
Oh, you're
Okay,
currently QA, is it?
I'm a senior QA lead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
So let's say I'm as a helping person for the team. Let's say if QA, okay, so QA is also a human being.
Yeah.
Sometimes what happens is, okay, let's say QA also missed something. Okay, so one of the most important thing, eye check. Okay, a KYC analyst is doing the job. This is 2 eye check. Okay, I am doing, it is 2 eye check.
2 eye check.
4 eye check is SME, subject matter expert, which is your junior QA or QA, whoever it is.
Okay.
It depends on process to process. Not every process have 4 eye checks. Let's say client is asking that our data is very critical and we are giving you this business. Okay, whatever new process is coming, we are giving you this new business, and let's say we have we should have an 8i check. What does this mean? What does this mean is analyst will do the production, which is 2i. SME will check, which is your junior QA or QA. Then there will be a senior QA and there will be a QA lead.
So
4
all
persons,
4 persons will.
8i check. Okay.
Okay.
So if the process is very critical, then they will pay you that we will pay all the 4 persons who are involved in that particular case. After all, it is all related to money that you are doing 4 times. A case has been checked 4 times. So this will tell you the criticality that client want this particular process to be like very, very critical. Okay, that's why they are paying you. Okay, some process they are very lenient and they will tell you that 4i check is enough.
Sorry,
so what you will do,
who is the
yeah,
client here? The customer?
no. So
Oh,
basically, let's say you are doing business for a bank, and bank has introduced a new process. Let's say, let me just give you an example. You are an analyst. It's not obvious that you are doing onboarding for individual and company both. There will be a separate team.
Oh, okay. So individuals some handle and corporate some other.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. There could be a possibility that they have integrated both the processes. It depends.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What I'm saying is, I'm just giving you an idea how a process moves in a bank. Okay. Even if you are separately dealing both individual and corporate, that's okay. It could happen. If you have an integrated process, that's also fine. Okay. The reason why I'm telling you this, okay, if that process is not very critical and the information are very basic, let's say all the customers we are dealing is a low risk customers. We don't need that particular verification. So why we are paying to like check the one case 4 times? The criticality has been minimized.
This I understand, but who will, like you just mentioned client will decide the criticality, right? Who is that client?
Who is introducing the price? Who is introducing the process?
Like
Let's say
somebody
you are
inside
working
the bank
for,
only.
yeah. So let's say the senior management.
Got it.
I
Okay.
am saying as client, let's say sometimes you're working for a BPO. Currently, Deutsche also supports other processes.
Okay.
For an example,
Okay.
let's say American Express. You heard of American Express?
Oh, so you're saying some banks can outsource this process.
Outsource, yes, BPO, outsourcing.
Okay.
So let's say you are working for American Express and they have a separate team for their own processes. Now they have introduced an outsourcing unit. Okay. Now they are outsourcing for other clients also. Let's say other banks.
Got it.
Let's say foreign banks. Okay. So they are getting business. Now the client wants you to do this.
Yeah.
If
Now
they want you do 8i check, you have to do it. Okay. And if you are saying that if the client is saying that process is not that critical, it is very easy process. 4i check will do.
Okay.
Okay. So the analyst and the QA, that's it. That's 4i check.
Okay.
Analyst, QA, senior QA, 6i check. Analyst, junior QA, QA, senior QA, 8i check.
Okay.
Understood?
Got it. Yep.
This is our individual onboarding and corporate onboarding. Anything else? You have a query?
No.
Or sorted?
Clear. Yep.
Sorted. High risk client additional EDD steps. The thing I told you that low risk have a minimal verification process, and for EDD we have some additional steps.
Additional steps.
Senior management approval, dual control onboarding. First of all, if it is high risk, ask the senior team. Okay, wherever the case should be escalated. Even so we have identified that the case has been high risk. We will send it. We will stop that analysis then and there. We will send it that you guys check, the senior people, you guys check that should we onboard this customer or not.
Okay.
This is known as dual control onboarding.
So two people are checking.
Correct.
Okay.
So let's say you are my senior. So
Oh.
I'm asking that, ma'am, please, can you please check? I have identified that this particular customer is a high risk
Okay.
customer. Can you please check and confirm that should we onboard this
Proceed
particular
on.
customer or should we like deny the request? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then deep source of fund, same thing. Source of fund and source of wealth detailed. Okay. Public asset distribution disclosure for PEPs. The PEPs are holding what kind of assets?
Assets.
What is the source of income for them? Okay.
Hmm.
Independent reference, banker or auditor. Independent reference that I told you yesterday that regarding trust deed. If client is
Attestation.
attestation, if client is providing any document, even if it is a ID,
It has
let's
to
say
be.
I have a passport, okay, I'm giving you, you will not accept it. You will ask that, sir, can you please make this document verified by a solicitor or a chartered account, whoever is the independent body. So every bank have certain list. They will they will give that list to the bank to the customer. That's these are the people, these are the authorities we include in our verification process. So can you please verify your let's say passport, driving license, trust deed, in company registry, whatever it is. If you are providing something, do the attestation.
Got it.
Okay. And the people, and you have to check. So the stamp, the attestation will include the company. Let's say if it is a lawyer, solicitor, CA, name of the company, name of that individual, and the company seal.
Okay.
Now you will check on adverse media. I showed you how to do a string search. Now you
Yes.
will see, okay, so it is Lawyers, Lawyers Limited. Okay, they are the solicitor firm.
Okay.
I will string search on the Google or any kind of open like search engine that Lawyers firm plus the state. Let's say if my customer is working or their business is working in, let's say, New Delhi, and the firm name that they have provided is from Nagaland.
Okay.
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Why are you not showing that particular ID to a person who is who that firm which is belongs to that particular region? Maybe in Nagaland you have a relative who is doing the same business of solicitorship. Agreed?
Okay. Right.
Why there is a concern? Okay, let's say I have a relative who is doing the same thing. I'm asking that I'm sending you something. Can you please verify it and do the attestation and make a seal? I have to submit somewhere. That's incorrect. So even if they have done it, you have to ask that, why, sir, you have done that? Can you please provide me a document attested on a same region? Okay. We are not able to identify the relationship here. Or let's say there is also one thing that if the authority name, let's say it is Chawla, okay, and let's say the client name is also Chawla and Chawla Enterprises. It makes sense that maybe that particular solicitor is working in this firm also.
Oh.
Got it?
Got it.
So you have to confirm that. All these checks. Okay. Contractual restrictions, transaction limits, no third party payments. Whenever you are onboarding some client, you will decide the threshold. The client will disclose, okay, I will do in a month, let's say $2 million. If he is doing 80 million or let's say 8 million, we are not accepted. We will stop the services. We will do the EDD again. Why are you doing that? Have you took permission? Okay. So in case, let's say client is having a trade of, let's say 4 billion. He will write an application or take permission that I know I have disclosed my threshold limit to be 2 billion. but can you please allow me? This trade is very important for me. Okay, can you please allow me? Then the risk analyst, whoever it is, the compliance analyst, they will see that, okay, sir, I can see that this particular trade you are talking about. Okay, you can do that. You have
Okay.
to take permission
Got
if you
it.
are breaching the threshold.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. Let's say if our bank, we all have a withdrawal limit in a
Yeah.
day.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Now let's
We can
say there is
increase
a,
it. Uh,
yeah, there is a
thereafter.
marriage in my house.
Mm.
So I will ask the bank na, okay, I
Mm.
have an emergency.
Mm.
Can you please increase the limit? There is a marriage going on, so I
Mm.
have to withdraw that much money.
Mm.
So they will allow you. Okay, there is a something called demand draft. There is something called, you can fill it a form and we will give you the
Take
cash, or
the-
for 1 week we will increase your limit.
Got it.
All the possible like alternatives the
Mm.
client, the bank will give you.
Mm.
After all, your problem will be solved.
Mm.
You have to take permission if you are breaching something.
Yeah, correct.
Is there any issues regarding this?
Mm. No, Kapil.
Got it?
Yeah.
The last point is enhanced monitoring scenarios, lower alert thresholds, early post onboarding review. Example at 90 days. At every 90 days, the screening should be run. What
Mm.
is the meaning of that?
The periodic
Let's say
review.
in periodic review.
Okay.
Absolutely correct.
Mm.
Thanks. Now, what happened is, let's say I have started a case,
Mm.
and we will understand the criticality.
Mm.
Okay. Analyst has started the case. Today is 1st January
Mm.
2025.
Okay.
He completed the case. He sent it for the approval.
Mm.
Now maybe 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, whatever they are taking, they are taking.
Mm.
Okay. Now let's say after 3 days, the senior management approval. Okay, you can proceed with the other verification. We can onboard this particular client.
Got it.
Okay. Now the other ID verification, screening, PEP, all the things happening.
Mm.
Now let's say customer has not provided BO IDs.
Mm.
The case got stuck. The case got stuck. Now client will provide, as soon as you ask that, please provide me. Client will provide you like immediately. No.
Mm.
What the thing is, I will mail. Okay, hi Harita, we need this much document from you. So can
Mm.
you please provide it with the proper attestation?
Mm.
So if Harita does not have that ID attested, what she will do is she will make that particular ID first attested, and she will not do that on priority basis. This is not the case. Maybe
Mm.
client is replying you back, okay, I have seen your mail after 20 days.
Mm.
I have seen your mail. Okay, I was out of country. Now I have come back. So I have seen your mail. I will do that ASAP. Okay,
Mm.
whenever I get the time.
Time.
Maybe
Mm.
after 1 month, 2 month, client has given you the ID.
Mm.
You have onboarded it.
Mm.
Now, let's say you have processed the case.
Mm.
Now it is at the QA stage.
Mm.
The QA, quality assurance team, will
Mm.
review that case.
Okay.
Now the quality assurance team found out 3 mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
They will send back that case to analyst with their feedback.
Right.
That you have missed these 3 points.
Mm.
Do that again.
Mm.
Rectify it.
Mm.
Okay. Now what happen is, okay, now these 3 things happen. Now you will again send it to QA.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Now it is okay. But oh, sorry, you have breached 90 days. This is a high risk customer. You
Oh.
have to run the screening again.
Ah.
Got it?
Mm.
The
Yeah.
whole procedure. Why
Okay.
it is 90 days for high risk?
Oh, I just
Let's say,
I was
yeah,
remembering there will be workflow for the cases, right? Like now
this
I
is a
am getting
workflow.
workflow that there will
This
be
is a workflow.
steps. Yeah, this
That's
client
why I'm
wanted to review.
explaining each and every step, that whenever you are okay, so all these things, what I'm telling you right now,
Hmm.
this is not AML KYC.
Yeah, yeah.
This is corporate
Onboarding.
training. This
Hmm.
is corporate training.
Hmm.
What I'm trying to do here is I'm making you understand what is KYC and AML.
Hmm. And
Okay.
now I connect so
Also,
many dots actually. It is
yeah. Now what happens is, even if you did not get a training, you will get the training.
I
Don't get
got.
yeah, but still you have an idea, you have an upper edge. Whenever you are starting your career, you have an upper edge. Okay, I know what can be the workflow. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
some particular things can be changed, process to process, country to
Depending
country,
upon,
and client to client.
but
Okay,
high level,
more or less, yeah, 90% the things are same.
get it. Got it.
The flow will be same.
Hmm.
KYC, checking, senior management approval, activation.
So every case will be rechecked by QA, like
Every
whatever the
case will not be rejected by QA.
no
If
no
you have done
rechecked by
recheck, okay,
oh
there is sampling. There is
uh-huh.
sampling.
Oh,
Let's
sampling.
say if the volume, if the bank is very small,
Uh-huh.
let's say I have started a bank.
Hmm.
That's why I'm telling you that it depends.
Mm-hmm.
The reason is, if I'm asking you about standard chartered, it
Hmm.
is a very big
Hmm.
financial institution.
Hmm.
You can't, if your customer is doing, let's say, 1 lakh case in a month,
Hmm.
so you cannot check a whole 1 lakh
Everything.
case. So
Hmm.
there is a sampling happen for QA. Let's say if you are you are an analyst,
Hmm.
I am your quality assurance checker. So
Hmm.
what I'll do is, if you have done 100 cases, I will pick 10 cases,
Hmm.
10%, 30%, 50%, whatever the threshold has been set by the client.
Got it.
Okay,
Okay.
that you need to do. So the
Hmm.
concept of 90 days, you got it
Yeah.
with the workflow.
So,
Okay,
yeah, just because it is breached, all the
correct,
screenings will be redone and then proceeded.
correct. The logic is, if he's a PEP,
Hmm.
if he is working in a high risk,
Hmm.
the mobility of that particular person to doing things
Hmm.
is very quick, frequent.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, so there is a minimum threshold period which is for 90 days.
Got it.
Okay,
Yep.
document verification techniques. Let's say security feature, holograms, watermarks, microprint examination, machine readable zone, barcode scanning and verification, NFC chip data. The first three we are not very well aware of, but the
Hmm.
last two things you must have, like, see that biometric, barcode scanning, the verification, NFC chip in your debit card. You must have seen that
Got
there
it.
is a chip on of your Visa and Mastercard.
Hmm.
So these all are unique features, security
Hmm.
features
Hmm.
for your own benefit.
Hmm.
Okay, consistency check, name order should be in the format, it should
Sorry,
be consistent.
how these are related to an analyst? Are the analysts supposed to do some of these, the
No, no,
verification
no,
checks,
no, 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 no. These are the verification techniques.
techniques?
Let's say if you are doing an eKYC,
Hmm.
okay. Now customer has mentioned all the details online. There is no
Mm-hmm.
physical paper.
Hmm.
Okay. Now how you can like customers, all the data of customer is revolving online.
Hmm.
How you can protect this data? You have to protect it.
Mm-hmm.
Client data is very sensitive.
Sensitive, right?
You can't like so whatever what you can do is, you can protect it in a zip file, and you will make a let's say verification code, a security
Hmm.
code there.
Hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if there you must have seen that if there is an envelope in previous days, old days,
Mm-hmm.
so there will be a red seal that this
Hmm.
is very
Very
confidential.
confidential.
Okay, all
Hmm.
the seal, okay, it is blue, so it is related to court. It is red, it is highly confidential. So
Hmm.
different seals mean something.
Hmm.
This security feature is of online. This is not what you need to do. It is something for the technical team will do, that the
Got
client data will be should be safe.
protected. Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, but you should know that what particular parameters has been followed.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, so chip, we are providing NFC chip for each and every customer.
Hmm.
So sometimes if you are not in a KYC process, but you are in a voice process.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say you are telling a client has called you, and
Mm-hmm.
now you are facing the client. Now client has asked you that, okay, I think you guys are breaching my data. I can see that in multiple website I have my number. I haven't put it.
Mm.
I think you are doing it.
Doing it.
So you
Okay.
will explain. You will explain that, sir, in your card or in your mobile application, there is a barcode, there is a
Mm-hmm.
QR scanner.
Mm-hmm.
When you scan that particular QR, then only you are able to make the payments.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Whenever that chip has been read by the ATM machine, then only the
Mm.
money get withdrawal.
Got it.
This is for
Mm.
your security.
Mm. Mm.
Okay. So uh, these are the things you should know. It
Mm.
is not must to know things, but it is good to know.
Got it.
Okay.
Yep.
Consistency check, name order should be in the format, the consistent format. Okay.
Mm.
Proper transliteration of non-Latin characters. Let's say sometimes in it, if you must
Some
have
names
aware
will have.
that in Italy, the most of the names have very special characters.
Ah.
Let's say the Espanol is written as E with the abbreviation. Okay,
Got
so all these things,
mm.
non-Latin characters.
Characters. Yeah.
Font consistency. Let's say you are using Arial and then you are using Algerian, so
Mm.
that should be consistent.
Right.
Photo comparison with selfie, biometric machine, signature consistency across multiple documents, whatever attestation physically he is doing for
Mm.
signature.
Mm.
Recency and validity, proof of address within policy window, 3 months. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Latest, whatever latest, or maybe you are a person who like rented a property.
Mm.
Okay. If you keep changing, you have to update your like most recent
Proof of
address.
address. Okay.
Yes. Then document expiration date. Let's say you have provided a expired passport.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's not acceptable.
Mm.
The validity is important.
Mm.
Verification of the document issuance date, authenticity. Let's say you have given a document which is not authorized by the government.
Mm.
We will not accept it.
Mm.
It should be as per the company standards.
Okay.
Check for document revocation or cancellation. If your document has been revoked, let's say
Involved.
your driving license has been revoked,
Mm.
maybe you have done multiple accidents.
Mm.
Okay, so your
Okay.
ID has been revoked.
Yeah.
And if we find out that your ID has been revoked, then your profile will be
Mm.
rejected. Okay.
Got it.
Cross validation, government database verification, whatever they are saying. Let's say DL, they have provided a DL, but that DL is revoked. So
Mm.
you have cross validate.
Mm.
Business registry from company website, whatever company registry we have,
Mm.
and
Mm.
from the company registry website.
Okay.
Utility provider confirmation, let's say electricity bill, water bill, whatever they are providing. Let's say if your business is running in Western Australia and
Mm-hmm.
you are given a utility bill for Southern Australia, it's not correct.
Got it.
You have to the electricity is used in that particular unit, so you have to give the utility bill for that particular unit. That's incorrect. Okay. Independent third party verification services, same solicitor,
Mm.
that
Mm.
should be verified by an independent party.
Independent third party. Okay.
Okay. Corroboration across multiple document types, we have discussed this yesterday also.
Mm.
Okay. Any issues in this?
No, no, Kapil. Clear.
Okay. Now this is one of the major important, we have discussed all the points, so
Mm.
I'll just give you a crux here.
Okay.
Definition of ownership: a natural person owning more than equal to a set threshold of equity. Often it is 25% for low risk customers, and in high risk customer, this is 10%.
Mm.
The beneficial ownership I'm talking about.
Got it. Yes.
Control: natural person with effective control.
Mm-hmm.
Directors, CEO, board of directors, these are the controlling parties.
Okay.
Look to trace ownership through each intermediate entity until the natural person are found. If your ownership has not been like, the final entity should be individual. Every
The
business, anyhow,
final owner is the individual. We have to
individual.
trace until we get that individual.
Correct. If there are more layers,
Mm.
then it means that the customer has a complex ownership structure.
Mm.
Okay.
Got it.
Now, special cases like trust, nominees,
Mm.
listed companies, regulated financial institutions.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say identify settler. I have
Mm.
already told you regarding trust, settlers, protector, beneficiaries, class
Mm.
of beneficiary. There are multiple class, primary,
Mm.
secondary, tertiary, all kind of. Whenever you read a trust deed, you will get to know what these information are.
Got it.
This is when you are recruited to a company. This is
Mm.
not a basic knowledge. Okay.
Okay.
Now step by step, UBO. Okay, let me just move here. Can you see this?
Yes. Got it.
Yeah. Step by step, UBO identification process. Determine the legal form. Company, it is company, partnership, trust, foundation, NGO, financial institution. The legal entity type should be identified.
Mm.
Okay. Collect structure documentation. What is the shareholder structure? Who is owning how much?
Mm.
Okay. Map ownership layers, the ownership structure. Okay, so these two entities are owned by this entity, and this entity is owned by this individual. Ownership structure.
Mm.
Calculate effective ownership, multiply percentage across layers. Sometimes the percentage is not given. So let's
Mm.
say if I am saying that I have 1,000 shares in my
Mm-hmm.
company,
Mm-hmm.
and let's say 50%, 500 shares has been owned by Kapil, and
Mm.
500 shares has been owned by Harita.
Okay.
Automatically you can calculate that 50% ownership has been distributed.
Mm. Mm.
Basic maths. If
Right.
there are 5, then 20%.
Mm.
Okay, you have to just do simple maths.
Okay.
Okay, then identify control person, which is your senior managing officials,
Mm.
directors, CFO, CEO, CTO, CHRO. These are the senior managing officials.
Okay.
Verify IDs for UBOs, attested IDs.
Mm.
Okay, passport, DL, whatever they are providing. It
Mm.
should be assisted by a independent solicitor or
Mm.
whatever authority we have.
Okay.
Screen the UBOs directors and signers. You have to screen. This is the
Fine.
like this is the sanctions and PEPs and the screening
Adverse
part.
medium. Yes.
Okay. Any issue in this, you will have all the details here in
Yeah.
this
Clear.
particular slide. This is very important.
Yeah.
But why I'm covering it? Because we have discussed this already.
Mm. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Coming back to sample CIP checklist.
Mm.
This particular checklist varies to country and client to client.
Client to client.
Okay.
Okay.
We have already discussed what is simplified due diligence, standard, and enhanced.
Mm.
Okay. Identity data. For individuals, name, DOB address, tax ID, nationality. For corporate, it is registered name, legal form, address.
Okay.
What is the checklist you should follow?
Got it.
Okay, this is the basic checklist. Every company have their own checklist.
Mm.
Okay, verification, government ID, POA, eKYC.
Mm.
Okay, POA is proof of address. Okay,
Yes.
registry extract for corporates, articles, COI, incorporation certificate, basically IDs for controllers and signers.
Okay.
Okay, screening, both. Here you will do for directors and UBOs. For there you will do the customer and PEP or RCA, the
Mm.
related close association. Okay.
Mm.
Now purpose, source of fund, expected activity, same. Business model, geographies, expected volumes. Evidence, copies, footprints retained, and same ownership, same copies of footprint retained, and ownership chart, board resolution. Who are the board of directors?
Mm.
Who are the senior managing officials? Any issues in this page?
No. Clear.
What is SDD? Standard due diligence enhanced. Okay, these are
Yes.
the metrics we have.
Yes.
Okay, KYC best practices and key takeaways.
Mm.
Risk-based approach.
Mm.
Apply resources proportionally to risk. Focus enhanced due diligence on high risk customers, while streamlining process for low risk relationship.
Mm.
Okay, documentation. Maintaining comprehensive records for all due diligence performed.
Mm.
Let's say sometimes what happen is QA is marking you an incorrect error.
Mm-hmm.
If you have documented each and everything, you can counter that. Sir, see, we have done our due diligence, and that's
Mm.
why our that's why we have made this decision.
Got it.
Sometimes QA can also make
Yeah, yeah.
mistakes, na?
Mm-hmm.
That's why. Leverage technology, implement digital identity verification to minimize the physical work, to
Mm,
stay transparent.
mm,
Ongoing monitoring, which is your periodic review.
mm,
Data quality, maintain accurate, complete, and up to date customer information
mm,
through with the help of periodic review.
mm.
Let's say in periodic review we got to know that customer address has been changed,
Good.
we will update it. So
Mm,
our records will be updated as
mm,
per the new information.
mm,
Okay. Now staff training, ensure all relevant staff receive regular training on KYC procedures. KYC procedures and the standards keep changing.
mm,
So let's say now let's say we have some verification fields for low risk. In
mm-hmm.
future, let's say that particular verification
Mm.
list also
Changes.
removed. Okay, so
Okay.
you cannot ask the client that please provide me. If
Mm.
client is aware about their rights, then they will counter you. Why are you asking me this? The government has given that low risk customer are not need to give
Oh, it
any
is from
ID.
government. Okay. Mm.
So that they will counter the trust the
Mm.
customer is having on your bank will be reduced. Okay,
Mm.
so they have untrained KYC analyst. They
Mm.
are not aware about the latest rules.
Okay.
The
Got.
picture of bank will be represented by the representative who
Mm.
is talking to you.
Got it.
Agreed?
Mm. Yes.
So staff training is very important.
Mm.
We always do every month.
Mm-hmm.
We
Okay.
also have a PKT, process knowledge test, every month,
Mm.
so that the analyst should be updated. This is the
Mm-hmm.
new things coming up. So you
Got
have
it.
to stay relevant.
Mm.
Whatever is needed in 2018,
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't ensure that you have to follow the same approach